Oh Lord, I know you hear my cry. All right, this is called Oh Lord, and this is in the key of A flat. This is not typically a key that I play in, but I thought I would kind of expand your horizons a bit. I think this is the original key it's played in as well by Daigle. So make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. So there are a lot of things that are simple about this song. There are only 4 chords, so let's find those 4. So in the key of A flat, we have the chords A flat, D flat, E flat, and F minor. And actually, those are 4 really beautiful chords anyway. So I'm going to talk to you about a shape, and that's going to help you to remember 3 of the 4 triangles that I'm going to teach you here. So a triangle of an A flat looks like this, and we'll put a little diagram on here. So do you see this A flat? We have 2 black notes up at the top and C in the middle. So we have A flat, C, D flat. Sorry, E flat. Okay, so that's an upside down triangle. I use fingers 1, 3, 5, and I'm just kind of trying to move fingers 2 and 4 out of the way for you. But it's easy if you kind of shift up into the chord like so. And this is the A flat. And if you freeze that shape and move it up to this D flat position, you're kind of doing that triangle shape again. So we have D flat, F, A flat. Okay. And that's a D flat chord. Okay. If you move that shape up 1 set of notes and tuck your white note in between here, we have E flat, G, B flat. Okay, and that's that upside down triangle for the 3rd time. So if you kind of get used to that hand being like a shape, you know, if you have these other fingers in there, that's fine. But I like to move them out of the way and kind of freeze that shape and then move it down to the D flat. Sorry. Yeah, D flat. And then back down to our A flat. So those are the 3 flat major chords in this song. Okay, so the F minor is the only one that's a bit different. Let's see, we play that in the interlude and then as well as the bridge. So this is just a regular triangle. So it's F, A flat, C. Okay, and it kind of makes a little bit of a wonky triangle there, but that's an F minor. Okay, here's an F major, and then the 3rd gets kind of flatted, and that's what an F minor looks like. Okay. So we just have those 4 chords. So let's review. That was our F minor. Then our 3 upside down triangles are A flat, D flat, and freeze that shape again. Move up to the E flat position, and there you go. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes. We're going to keep it really simple down here. Since these are black notes in here tucked in, I'm going to put pinky on my D flat. So I'm going to play D flat when I play this D flat. Okay, and then our E flat to E flat in the bass. Okay, and then our F to F, F minor to F in the bass. Bear with me, this will be a lot of fun because there's a lot of repetition. Okay, and then our E flat, or sorry, our only other one is A flat. Okay, with A flat in the bass. Okay. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds when we add the 2 hands together with vocals, and then I'm going to break down the rhythm for you. Though time it seems like I'm coming undone, this walking often feel lonely. No matter what until this race is won, I will stand my ground where hope can be found. I will stand my ground where hope can be found. All right, so let's talk about that rhythm, break it down. So we're doing this simple rhythm called together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, so this song, you might want to just play right hand only until you get used to just the new chords, the new flat chords that are maybe a little bit tricky for you, and then bring the 2 hands together. So we're just doing that nice marching rhythm. It works really well. It's called 1-to-2 ratio, and it works for songs that are in 4/4 time signature like this one. Okay, so I'm going to start out with that D flat, and let's just look at the verses I talked about patterns. So verse 1 and 2 are the exact same, and we have the same chords repeated over and over. So we have D flat, A flat, E flat, D flat, A flat, E flat, D flat, E flat, E flat. Okay. So there's repetition through that whole part. So we're going to start out with this D flat, and the two hands are going to come together with that nice marching rhythm, like so. Okay. The time it seems like okay, move up to that A flat, and we're going to do the A flat here. Coming undone, E flat, done. Okay. D flat, moved back down. This walking often feel A flat, lonely, E flat, Lee, D flat. No matter what until A flat, this race is won, E flat, one, I will. Okay, now we're going to go to that pre-chorus. Okay, we're going to do that F minor here, and this pre-chorus just has the same 4 chords repeated twice, okay? Here's that F minor with the F in the bass. I will stand my D flat, ground, where A flat, hope can be found, E flat there. And I will, F minor, stand my D flat, ground, where A flat, hope can be found, E flat there. Oh. Okay, that takes us into that chorus. Okay, let's take a look at patterns in the chorus as well. So we have the same 4 chords. Let me see if it's any repeated of the other one. It's just this, it's same 4 chords that we've been talking about, just a different chord progression. So the chorus goes D flat, A flat, E flat, F minor on repeat. Okay, so pretty simple there. So let's go through that here. D flat starts us out. Oh Lord, oh, A flat. Lord, I know you, E flat. I hear my cry, F minor, cry, D flat. Oh Lord, sorry, your love is lifting me, E flat. Above all the lies, F minor, lies, D flat. No matter, A flat, what I face this, E flat. I know in time, F minor, D flat. You'll take all, A flat, that is wrong, and E flat, make it right, D flat. You'll take all, A flat, that is wrong, and make it right. Then I guess it just ends it on that A flat. You could probably do that. Right. No, I think A flat sounds better there anyway. I thought maybe you could just repeat that same F minor, but we got a little segue chord there. And that'll kind of get you back into verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. Okay, so let's take a look at the bridge. Sorry, F minor. Playing the wrong chord there. Let's see. Stand my ground. And hope can be found. I will stand. This is how it sounds. Stand my ground. Where hope can be found. I will stand my ground. Where hope can be found. I will stand my ground. Where hope can be found. So that is the same 4 chords over repeated, which is just the same as the pre-chorus. F minor, D flat, A flat, E flat. So I encourage you with this song to kind of break it up into sections. Just learn the verses, which are the same. Then learn the pre-chorus, which is the same as the bridge. And then learn the chorus, which just repeats those same 4 chords over and over. Really, in simplicity, it is kind of a simple song in nature. It's just the new chords that are going to take a bit for your hands to kind of get the shape of those triangles for the 3 flat chords as well as that minor chord. It's kind of an upside down triangle. It's a little bit tricky on the hand to just kind of maneuver that. And then as well as kind of figuring out this new rotation, I would just try to keep this left hand that you're just playing these 4 notes and not moving this hand out of position. Okay. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. This might take you a bit to work into. You can do it. When you find yourself messing up, just find the next chord, the next syllable or word that you can hop in with me and keep going. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great experience to play along with somebody, and you don't know where they're going, so you have to transition. All right, I'm going to get ready here, and let's do it. Time it seems like I'm coming undone. This walking often feel lonely. No matter what, until this race is won, I will stand my ground where hope can be found. I will stand my ground where hope can be found. Oh Lord, I know you hear my cry. Your love is lifting me above all the lies. No matter what I face this, I know in time you'll take all that is wrong and make it right. You'll take all that is wrong and make it right. Your strength is found at the end of the rope. Your grace, it reaches to the hurting. Still through the tears and the questioning,